All right, let's go. What'd you get to eat? Grilled cheese. And I got mushroom toast. I think it's gonna be yummy.
Look at this. That's what I was telling you. Lots of pictures.
Alright. The cheese?
Cheese.
But
What is this?
it's called a skewer.
I did not know.
And yours has fruit and veggies on it.
What kind of veggies?
Oh no, just fruit.
Oh. Coming at the door. Leave the neighbor at the door.
Okay. Knock knock.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well, and you?
Good.
Show
Come
me around your
in.
house. This is as far as I can go. Nice house, boo.
Oh my God. I'm making some grilled cheese.
Yum. Okay, we'll go to the next one.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
One's getting everywhere.
All right, go to the next one.
This one's not getting water. Only a little bit.
What's your favorite plant that we're growing?
Huh?
What is your favorite plant that we're growing?
Well, the cucumber.
Yeah, why is that?
Yeah?
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Oh, because they look tasty when they grow.
They taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can move on to the next one.
This one looks like it's not getting water. This one isn't. This one isn't.
I thought you got that one.
Huh?
You got that one already. Get these two. I think I clipped the wrong part of my cucumber, y'all. I was out here.
Now what? Now what, Mom? Is that enough?
Yeah, baby. Move over. Get the roses. I was cleaning it up the other day. Ooh, that one's going by. She just sounded like I broke that. Anyway, all these leaves have wilted, but I had just watered it. I don't know if I gave it too much water. I don't think that's the case because cucumbers need a lot of water. I think I snipped it somewhere and like disconnected it from the root, and now it's like
It's getting
dying.
in there, Mom.
Okay, come get the cucumbers. I got these 5 for $5 from Home Depot, and like all of the ones like this have died. So they must have known those things were about to die and they put them on sale and sold them to us. I have no idea what this one is, but it looks like a succulent.
Mom, there's a ladybug larva on here.
A ladybug larva.
There.
Oh.
So adorable. I didn't know it was on there. I gotta tell Dad. You were on the fence.
Oh, it's a couple of them, so I guess we're gonna have some ladybugs.
Yeah. Hey, Mom, you hold this for
You can tell them in a minute, bud. You can finish watering. Always more cucumbers in there.
They are so adorable. I didn't see these little guys on there.
Yeah.
They're all on
I figure
there.
what I did. I'm gonna say that for another day. There's a bee friend.
Hey, Yippee. Man.
The Arctic tundra, and a tundra doesn't have any trees, so it's flat, it has a lot of snow and ice, so their habitat can look a little different. Gray wolves can live in many different areas. Let me show you on my map. We're going to draw a line on my map halfway, all right? We can find gray wolves all over the top part of my map. All over, not everywhere, but in many different places around, like many in Canada and Alaska up here.
What word did you write?
Jump.
Spell it.
Jump.
Found some land. Let's see. Wrong side. Okay, it's starting to move it a little bit. Oop, and there it's balled up and it's gone. You ready for acting class?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just dropped Little Boo off at his acting class, and this is our 4th time coming over here, and the first 3 days have been like hectic because I hate driving in Dallas with a passion. So much so that I used to cry about it, but I'm a little bit past that now, just a little bit. I still hate it a whole lot. But this time I saw a thrift store on the way, so I dropped him off, and now I'm about to go into a random thrift store that I've never been to before. It's not a chain, it's just a random thrift store in a strip mall. But first I'm going to show y'all what I packed for him in his like little travel bag. Alright, so his backpack, we have some crackers that we get from the Asian market that are really good. Sky Flakes. And then he loves this brownie lava bar. It has a dinosaur on it, so that's always fun. He has his drawing pad and a pencil, a change of clothes in case of accident, and a wet bag. And then he has his potty seat, which I showed y'all in here. And I think I have baby wipes and stuff. Yeah, like I have the wipes and like stuff for me to do in case I just sit in the car, like my planner and stuff. And I have a pack of crackers for me as well. But the ride is so long, it's an hour, so that's why we bring the potty seat. Also packed him, he loves broccoli mostly. Y'all ignore the dirty floor, that's all my fault. My husband hates it. Got this little IKEA glass container with the bamboo on top and some broccoli and carrots for him. And yeah, that's it.
Alright, so after comes for the several seasons. So the meat can be separated, this can be separated. This is just like little pants. Okay, so back in the day before COVID happened, we had.
I'm going to get my mask on and we can go see what this little thrift store is hidden for. I also might go to Starbucks today just because like it's the closest thing. We'll see. It's kind of not close. I don't know how close it is, but we'll see, which is a waste. I need to start making my tea before I come, but then it's like, oh, it's so hot out here, I can't just sit in my car and drink tea because it's hot in the car. But if I'm sitting in Starbucks, I can drink it. The dilemma. I don't want to waste plastic, I don't want to waste money. I have things at home. These are the things that go through my mind. just had a live about wedding dresses, like secondhand wedding dresses or sustainable weddings, and secondhand wedding dresses as part of that. And here are some dresses. So maybe those are quinceañera dresses, I don't know, but they can be wedding dresses. $20. And then books. We'll be sharing, or maybe I've already shared it, I don't know, but we're putting together a video about thrifted books that we find for little Boo. I don't see any children's books right now. Maybe just that little section. It's one of our favorite things to do. Thrift books.